Snake plants are one of the most popular indoor plants because of their air purifying quality and easy maintenance. But have you ever thought of growing them in water? In this video, we will show you how to grow snake plants in water and use them for indoor decoration. First, take a healthy snake plant cutting and remove the bottom leaves to leave about 2 to 3 inches of stem. Then, place the cutting in a vase of water, making sure that the bottom of the stem is fully submerged. Place the vase of water on a sunny window sill and change the water once a week to keep it fresh. After a few weeks, you will start to see new growth from the top of the stem. These new shoots will eventually grow into full-sized snake plants. Once your snake plants have grown, you can use them for indoor decoration in a variety of ways. Place them in a group of vases on a windowsill or use them to fill an empty corner of your living room. You can also transplant your snake plants into soil for a more traditional indoor plant. Place them in a decorative pot and they will be ready to go. With their striking vertical growth and bold foliage, snake plants are the perfect plant to add a touch of green to your indoor space. Plus, growing them in water is a fun and easy way to experiment with plant propagation. Now, here are some characteristics of snake plants. Snake plants, also known as sansevieria, are a type of succulent that are native to West Africa. They are known for their tall, upright leaves that grow in a russet pattern and have a distinctive green and yellow striped appearance. Snake plants are incredibly hardy and can tolerate a range of growing conditions, including low light and frequent watering. They are also known for their air purifying qualities as they can remove toxins from the air and produce oxygen, making them a great choice for indoor spaces. Snake plants are a popular choice for people who are new to indoor gardening or have limited space, as they are easy to care for and can grow well in a variety of containers. These plants are also known for their ability to thrive in both indoor and outdoor environments, making them a versatile and low maintenance addition to any garden or home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks from 5 Mint Garden Pro.